Okay. So yeah, welcome to the quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot, and this is a highlight of the market for the coming week. So it is just the projection of the market for the for 5 days of the coming week. And now this will be from 30th of October to the 3rd of November. So it is just a continuation of what I've been analyzing or providing in the previous analysis. So you can watch maybe my previous analysis, what were the projections. So now here it is just a continuation. So I do what to call the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. So I go deeper to the 4-hour time frame, and now in the 4-hour time frame, it's where I provide an exact direction of the market. So quickly, let me start with the monthly time frame and provide those who call the key highlight of the market in monthly time frame. Now, basically, we see now monthly candle. Now, the October month has a very powerful bullish candle. Now, this indicates that buyers are taking control at this region, and basically, now it has moved to the extent of the March candle. As I said now in my previous analysis, that we're looking forward for the November candle to be the same as the March candle. So basically it has done in that way. So now it has covered the exact price movement. And the overall thing, maybe let me turn the drawings. So the overall thing here is now price is at the very significant resistance level. So now always when the price is approaching the level, there are two things that are possible. So either breaking the level or rejecting from the level. So basically we have to expect those two things to happen at this level here. Now quickly, let me go to weekly time frame. As I'm going to lower time frames, it's where we get an exact market move. So in weekly time frame, nothing's new here. Basically what we see is the bullish momentum is holding, so price is pushing to the upside. And now this week, now it opened with a retest. So we had some level, we had a certain level here. So we had a level here. So now last week broken the level, so this week retested, so it continued to the upside. So what we have to expect now in the weekly time frame, we can expect the next week candle may continue up to this level here. So we have to watch for the 2050 level. Now this is most likely to be the significant resistance level for the coming week. So that is powerful in weekly time frame. And before I go to daily time frame, let me provide the highlight of the news. And basically, let me do this. Okay. Yeah, so basically, next week from, yeah, we see what the next up next. So we see now we have news the Monday. Now we have news on Monday, the medium impact news, but the remaining days are the mix of high impact and medium impact news. And actually on Friday, we have those very, very powerful news, the NFP news. So we expect NFP release next week on Friday. So we have to be watchful when trading on a Friday. So that is powerful. And so basically, when we go down to daily time frame, now we can see the highlight of the market in daily time frame. So in daily time frame, what we see there is just a powerful bullish movement. And last week we were expecting price to move to this level down here, but as I expected, those we call the shallow corrections. Now that is what happened. Price collected to this level and then continued to the upside. But the very basic thing in daily time frame is that we had this level that was respected last Friday. So market has been moving below the level almost the whole week, and on Friday now price successfully broken the level, so currently is above it. So what we have to expect in daily time frame is price may retest this level, then continue to the upside. So that's the overall projection in daily time frame. And also I have included the wave count, so we can see the 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside. So currently price is completing the 5th wave to the upside. So now in 4-hour time frame, we can maybe see details of this. Maybe this one is already completed the 5th wave, or we may still expect continuation to the upside in completion of the fifth wave. So that is the overall. So we are up in daily time frame. We are up or we are bullish. So now in 4-hour time frame, what we see here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside with the extension of the first wave. So currently the fifth wave is completing to the upside, and now the important thing is it is in diagonal form. So we see a diagonal thing here. So this diagonal can be an ending diagonal. So if this is an ending diagonal, so we expect the price is going to correct straight from here and then touch this level down here around 1925. So that is one. So if this is an ending diagonal, and alternatively, this can be a leading diagonal of the fifth wave. So if this fifth wave is going to be higher like this, we expect continuation to the upside. So if it has already completed here, so we expect this first alternative now. So the second alternative is now price may correct up to this level, then complete the fifth wave to the upside. If this is just a leading diagonal, so we have to watch for those two possibilities. Now in that way, we don't have to look for sells next week. We have just to watch for buy opportunities. So whenever we see market is providing confirmations for buys, so we can just chip in the market. That is very powerful. And for buys, we have to watch price moving to around the levels of 2040. We can watch price moving to around the levels of 2040, and the maximum is 2050. But based on the equality, it's very rare for price to move to those levels of 2050. But 2045 is the mostly likely level to be touched by price. So that is how we're going to trend next week. So thank you for your time. That is powerful. If it's just your first time visiting this channel, make sure that you subscribe and also put a thumb up button if you think this video is useful. Write down in the comment section if you have anything to add, any comment, any question or anything. So that is powerful. This is the overall projection.